Good morning, welcome to Monday. And here we got our warm-up for today. So we got 2 rounds of road bike or jog. This can be in place. You can also substitute toe taps in here. We'll see those in some of the demos, or if you haven't been to our YouTube page, most of the movement demos are up on our YouTube page, youtube.com/mountainstrength. Okay, so here we got 1 minute road bike or jog or run in place, 10 up downs, 10 slam ball or deadlifts, okay, and then 10 slam ball or thrusters, okay. So you can either do, if you have a slam ball, you do 20 of those, or you can do deadlifts or thrusters. You can even do deadlifts with the slam ball if you have one, or a dumbbell, or the backpack, okay? And then we're finishing this workout with 1 minute of run, bike, or jog, okay? And then we're gonna do 2 rounds of this for the warm-up. Again, warm-up pace, don't take it too hard, all right? Let's see what we have for the workout today. And here is today's workout. We're gonna be going 20 minutes today. So we're gonna do an AMRAP, as many rounds as possible, in 20 minutes. So we're gonna start off with 10 burpees, 30 mountain climbers or high knees, 20 ground to overhead. So this could be a backpack, dumbbells, barbell, any implement that you have, and then 30 sumo deadlift high pulls, okay? So make sure you check out the movement demo so you know how to do these movements, okay? Score is rounds plus reps in 20 minutes. You just keep a good pace and keep going with it, something that you don't have to slow down and stop. And here is our optional finisher. Yeah, optional. I think everybody does the finisher, right? Yes, we're all doing the finisher. Good. All right, so this is 3 sets of a reverse plank hold, single leg fire hydrants. This is a great hip opening movement. Single leg kickbacks is a great low back movement for you. And then 15 clam shells, another hip movement. Okay, watch the movement demo so you know how to do these and get to it. Okay, this is a great resiliency cool down, okay, for the hip and low back. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great workout. Here are the demos.